हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू अवर चैनल। अभी आज हम लोग सीखने वाला है डिवीजन। तो पहले 789 वाला सीखेंगे, दो और सेकंड में 3 वाला कर देंगे। फिर हम लोग 3-4 प्रॉब्लम याद करेंगे इसमें। और फिर 789 7 7 डिवाइड बाय 89। और फिर पहले हम लोग लिखेंगे 789 लिखेंगे। फिर 89 हो गया तो फिर इसका टेबल। 8 हम लोग के पहले चेक करने का स्मॉल है कि बिगर है। तो फिर स्मॉलर है बिगर है 8 7 से। तो फिर 8 हम लोग एक ही लेंगे हम लोग। तो फिर हम लोग 2 लेंगे। तो फिर हमें 2 2 डिजिट वाला सिखाऊंगी, हम लोग 3 डिजिट वाला नेक्स्ट वीडियो में सिखाऊंगी। तो फिर 7 8 9 7 8 और फिर 8 नहीं आता, जैसे नहीं आता। और 7 टू द 14 हो रहा है और कैसे सॉल्व होगा स्मॉल। तो फिर मैं लिख रही हूँ 7 और जा तो फिर दूसरा 7 टू जा राइट। हम लोग 7 1 जा 1 होता है 7 1 जा 1। तो फिर 1 you can write here with the 7 1 plus 7। तो फिर इसका 1 2 होगा ना। You can see here and if I just time it, you can see here. Yeah, 7 1 the 7. You can see 1 here. Then 1 we have to write in this, and 7 we have to include this, and we have to minus 8 9 obviously 1, and I take like here 91 20 smaller. We have to divide this smaller number by 7. Then 89, okay 90 हुआ है तब तक नहीं हुआ है। तो फिर 90 okay 19 14 114 with 2 and 14 9 4 that we have to come. Please, yeah, and you have to divide it in this. And just 9 minus 9. What is 4? 1 minus, we have to do the minus ones. Minus 1, yeah, and just 9. Write 9, you can see 9 my real hands. 9 my real hands. 9 and 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's 4. Actually, some wrong is it. 9. Oh. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Okay, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4. Is equal to. So I'm doing wrong. No, you can write in the chat box. Right or correct my divisions. Write in the chat box and then zero. Obviously 4. So I have to check the answer now. Let's come. First, 12. This question is called question. It's called divide by n and it's called remainder. Then I'm not write a spelling. Then you have to multiply it with 12 multiply by 7 and write. I just rubbish. I don't rubbish. I just tried it. It's a reminder. I just type here, which I just love this one. See my face. Awesome. I made problems. you can see my logo. Then I'll just write here. So this will I think so. I just want it here. You can see what to do. Just write here. Grade divide by 7. How would you? I would have to multiply postage. Then 7 to the what is 7 to the is write in the comment. 7 I will write in the 10 second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Write in comments. And 7 to the is 14. 14 it is. Then some his children call some confuses in that. Then have to and we have to write what is the answer 14. Yeah, 14 is the answer. And write for beach culture 14. And 10 and zones we have to write. And once we go down and when we go up, such a simple way it is. And teach the children you are watching this. Just of it. And then 4 and then 7 1 obviously 7 it is. And plus 1 carry is equal to 8. 84 is 84. Then just 84. Just plus remainder. We got remainder right here. Okay, I will call it for you. First she can want some small each some and just transfer. So I have 4 and 4. What is number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 will go. 8 and 8. Now I plus 3. I will do what is wrong with me. I will divide it. And how to check I will teach you. And what is wrong in my see and comment I will draft. If the camera is wrong, you can see here what is my problem. And teach it in my comment. Okay, bye. 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 Hope you like this video. And please write in the comments what is wrong in mine. Okay. Thank you for watching the video. और कुछ गड़बड़ है I know in the check. I will do in the next video. Okay, bye bye. I hope you're I like this video. Bye bye. Bye bye.